How to manage stories in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage stories. Click Create Content. This is the Create Content page, where you can choose to create new pages or new stories for your website. Stories are articles that have a title, a teaser, and a body, but can be extended by other modules. Stories may be used as a personal blog or for news articles. Click Story. This is the page where we can create new stories on our Drupal site. Enter the title of the story here. Then enter the body of the story here. Scroll down. When ready, click the Submit button. That's it! The new story has been created. Let's see how to edit the new story. Click Edit. We can edit or delete the story we just created on this page. Click Delete. Click Delete to confirm. That's it! The new story has been deleted. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage stories in Drupal.